Active and passive voice. There are two ways of expressing our ideas in English. One is called the active voice, and the other is passive voice. A verb is said to be in the active voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject acts or is active. A verb is said to be in the passive voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject does not act but suffers the action done by something or by someone. Tense, simple present tense, continuous tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. We can see the active voice and the passive voice, the form of the active voice and the form of the passive voice. When you consider the simple present tense, the active voice will be of the form subject plus verb in the present. For present continuous tense, the form of the active voice will be subject plus an, is or are plus ing. In the active voice, for present perfect tense, the form will be subject plus has or have plus past participle. In the active voice, for present perfect continuous tense, the form will be is plus has or have plus been plus ing. S stands for subject. Now we can see the passive voice. When the active voice is of simple present tense, then the passive voice will be of the form is plus an, is or are plus past participle. Then for present continuous tense, if the active voice is in the present continuous tense, then the passive voice will be of the form is plus an, is or are plus being plus past participle. When the active voice in the present perfect tense, then the form of the passive voice will be subject plus has or have plus been plus past participle. When the active voice is in the present perfect continuous tense, then the form of the passive voice will not be there because there is no passive voice here. No passive voice for when the active voice is in the present perfect continuous tense. Now, when the active voice is in the simple past tense, the form will be subject plus verb in the past. When the active voice is in the past continuous tense, the form will be subject plus was or were plus ing. When the active voice is in the past perfect tense, then the form will be subject plus had plus past participle. When the active voice is in the past perfect continuous tense, the form will be subject plus had plus been plus ing. Now coming to the passive voice, when the active voice is in the simple past tense, the passive voice will be of the form subject plus was or were plus past participle. For the past continuous tense in the active voice, for the passive voice, the form will be subject plus was or were plus being plus past participle. For the active voice in the past perfect tense, the form is subject plus had plus past participle, but in the passive voice it will become subject plus had plus been plus past participle. Now when the active voice is of the form subject plus had plus been plus ing, then the passive voice will be of the form, there will be no passive voice. There will be no passive voice. When the active voice is of the form subject plus will or shall plus root of the verb, that is in the simple future tense, then the passive voice will be subject plus will or shall plus be plus past participle. Now for future continuous tense, when the active voice is of the form subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing, the passive voice will be of, there will be no passive voice. When the active voice is of future perfect tense, subject plus will or shall plus have plus past participle, then the passive voice will be of the form subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus past participle. When the active voice is of future perfect continuous tense, that is subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing, then the passive voice, if you go to see, there will be no passive voice. So here for future continuous tense and for future perfect continuous tense, we don't have any passive voice. When an imperative command is to be transformed, the form will be let plus subject plus be plus past participle. When an interrogative sentence is to be transformed, the form will be question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus past participle. Now, when the active voice contains simple present tense, now we can see some examples. I write a poem. The passive voice will be a poem is written by me. I write poems. Poems are written by me. We write a poem. A poem is written by us. We write poems. Poems are written by us. You write a poem. A poem is written by you. You write poems. Poems are written by you. He writes a poem. A poem is written by him. He writes poems. Poems are written by him. She writes a poem. A poem is written by her. She writes poems. Poems are written by her. It eats an apple. An apple is eaten by it. It eats apples. Apples are eaten by it. They write a poem. A poem is written by them. They write poems. Poems are written by them. Now, when the active voice is in the present continuous tense, that is, for example, I am writing a poem, then the passive voice will be a poem is being written by me. I am writing poems. Poems are being written by me. We are writing a poem. A poem is being written by us. We are writing poems. Poems are being written by us. You are writing a poem. A poem is being written by you. You are writing poems. Poems are being written by you. He is writing a poem. A poem is being written by him. He is writing poems. Poems are being written by him. She is writing a poem. A poem is being written by her. She is writing poems. Poems are being written by her. It is eating an apple. An apple is being eaten by it. It is eating apples. Apples are being eaten by it. They are writing a poem. A poem is being written by them. They are writing poems. Poems are being written by them. When the active voice is in the present perfect tense, for example, I have written a poem, then the passive voice will be, a poem has been written by me. I have written poems. Poems have been written by me. We have written a poem. A poem has been written by us. We have written poems. Poems have been written by us. You have written a poem. A poem has been written by you. You have written poems. Poems have been written by you. He has written a poem. A poem has been written by him. He has written poems. Poems have been written by him. She has written a poem. A poem has been written by her. She has written poems. Poems have been written by her. It has eaten an apple. An apple has been eaten by it. It has eaten apples. Apples have been eaten by it. They have written a poem. A poem has been written by them. They have written poems. Poems have been written by them. When the active voice is in the present perfect continuous tense, then we have only the active voice. We don't have passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. Now I am reading only the active voice. I have been writing a poem. I have been writing poems. We have been writing a poem. We have been writing poems. You have been writing a poem. You have been writing poems. He has been writing a poem. He has been writing poems. She has been writing a poem. She has been writing poems. It has been eating an apple. It has been eating apples. They have been writing a poem. They have been writing poems. There is no passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. Now when the active voice is of simple past tense, I wrote a poem, then the passive voice will be, a poem was written by me. I wrote poems. Poems were written by me. We wrote a poem. A poem was written by us. We wrote poems. Poems were written by us. You wrote a poem. A poem was written by you. You wrote poems. Poems were written by you. He wrote a poem. A poem was written by him. He wrote poems. Poems were written by him. She wrote a poem. A poem was written by her. She wrote poems. Poems were written by her. It ate an apple. An apple was eaten by it. It ate apples. Apples were eaten by it. They wrote a poem. A poem was written by them. They wrote poems. Poems were written by them. When the active voice is in the past continuous tense, that is, I was writing a poem, then the passive voice will be, a poem was being written by me. I was writing poems. Poems were being written by me. We were writing a poem. A poem was being written by us. We were writing poems. Poems were being written by us. You were writing a poem. A poem was being written by you. You were writing poems. Poems were being written by you. He was writing a poem. A poem was being written by him. He was writing poems. Poems were being written by him. She was writing a poem. A poem was being written by her. She was writing poems. Poems were being written by her. It was eating an apple. An apple was being eaten by it. It was eating apples. Apples were being eaten by it. They were writing a poem. A poem was being written by them. They were writing poems. Poems were being written by them. When the active voice is in the past perfect tense, that is, for example, I had written a poem, then the passive voice will be, a poem had been written by me. I had written poems. Poems had been written by me. We had written a poem. A poem had been written by us. We had written poems. Poems had been written by us. You had written a poem. A poem had been written by you. You had written poems. Poems had been written by you. He had written a poem. A poem had been written by him. He had written poems. Poems had been written by him. She had written a poem. A poem had been written by her. She had written poems. Poems had been written by her. It had eaten an apple. An apple had been eaten by it. It had eaten apples. Apples had been eaten by it. They had written a poem. A poem had been written by them. They had written poems. Poems had been written by them. When the active voice is in the past perfect continuous tense, for example, I had been writing a poem, there is no passive voice. There is no passive voice for past perfect continuous tense. So I am reading only the active voice now. I had been writing a poem. I had been writing poems. We had been writing a poem. We had been writing poems. You had been writing a poem. You had been writing poems. He had been writing a poem. He had been writing poems. She had been writing a poem. She had been writing poems. It had been eating an apple. It had been eating apples. They had been writing a poem. They had been writing poems. When the active voice is in the simple future tense, for example, I shall write a poem, the passive voice will be, a poem will be written by me. I shall write poems. Poems will be written by me. We shall write a poem. A poem will be written by us. We shall write poems. Poems will be written by us. You will write a poem. A poem will be written by you. You will write poems. Poems will be written by you. He will write a poem. A poem will be written by him. He will write poems. Poems will be written by him. She will write a poem. A poem will be written by her. She will write poems. Poems will be written by her. It will eat an apple. An apple will be eaten by it. It will eat apples. Apples will be eaten by it. They will write a poem. A poem will be written by them. They will write poems. Poems will be written by them. When the active voice is in the future continuous tense, there is no passive voice. So I will be reading only the active voice here. I shall be writing a poem. I shall be writing poems. We shall be writing a poem. We shall be writing poems. You will be writing a poem. You will be writing poems. He will be writing a poem. He will be writing poems. She will be writing a poem. She will be writing poems. It will be eating an apple. It will be eating apples. They will be writing a poem. They will be writing poems. Now when the active voice is in the future perfect tense, for example, I shall have written a poem, then the passive voice will be, a poem will have been written by me. I shall have written poems. Poems will have been written by me. We shall have written a poem. A poem will have been written by us. We shall have written poems. Poems will have been written by us. You will have written a poem. A poem will have been written by you. You will have written poems. Poems will have been written by you. He will have written a poem. A poem will have been written by him. He will have written poems. Poems will have been written by him. She will have written a poem. A poem will have been written by her. She will have written poems. Poems will have been written by her. It will have eaten an apple. An apple will have been eaten by it. It will have eaten apples. Apples will have been eaten by it. They will have written a poem. A poem will have been written by them. They will have written poems. Poems will have been written by them. When the active voice is in the future perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice. So I am reading only the active voice. I shall have been writing a poem. I shall have been writing poems. We shall have been writing a poem. We shall have been writing poems. You will have been writing a poem. You will have been writing poems. He will have been writing a poem. He will have been writing poems. She will have been writing a poem. She will have been writing poems. It will have been eating an apple. It will have been eating apples. They will have been writing a poem. They will have been writing poems. Now we can see interrogative sentences. Active voice. Who brought this notebook? For this the passive voice is, by whom was this notebook brought? When did you do your work? When was your work done by you? Where did you keep my book? Where was my book kept by you? What has she taught you? What has been taught to you by her? When will he do the work? When will the work be done by him? Who teaches you English? By whom are you taught English? Now, coming to imperative sentences. Active voice. Open the door. For this, the passive voice will be, let the door be opened. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Don't neglect your studies. Let your studies be not neglected. Note. Verbs that take both the direct and indirect object in the active voice are changed to the passive voice in the following manner. Mrs. Rani teaches us English. Active voice. English is taught to us by Mrs. Rani. Passive voice. We are taught English by Mrs. Rani. This is also in passive voice. Daddy gave me a laptop. It is an active voice. I was given a laptop by daddy. It is in passive voice. A laptop was given by daddy to me. Passive voice. A laptop was given to me by daddy. Passive voice.